talking about Hot Wheels. Take a closer look. This is the police station. This is the service center. This is the burger shop. Check the one who's the Hot Wheels and ever again. Okay, so are we ready for the cars? Let's do some cars protection for everyone. Okay, let's do this.
Go ahead and pick your first car.
Tesla.
Okay, so go ahead and pick Tesla and
Tesla.
we'll run it through. We'll turn
We
it
will
on
run
and
it
we'll
through.
run it through. Okay. Run the Tesla through the tracks. Where are you going to start?
On here.
Oh, right over there?
Yeah.
Alright, so okay, there you go. Wow!
A little bit of.
Flew out. Maybe if you want to try it again, you can feel free to try that again.
Flew out.
Okay.
One more time and just about. Oh man, I
Okay.
just missed.
Try. You can feel free to try.
You feel we should try.
Alright. Okay, so maybe
Tesla now made it.
try a different car.
Try a
You
different
can-
car.
Make sure you turn the car off. Okay, what's your second choice?
Porsche.
Okay, so let's try with a Porsche. Maybe if you like, you can start from, this side.
I want to start from
Possibly.
the burger shop.
Sure.
Oh, how
Wow.
did I came in the shortcut?
Okay, so there you go. Try. There you go. Great job.
There you
Okay,
go.
so
Porsche made it.
do you want to do the other ones or you want to continue with this one?
Choose the other one.
Okay. What's your third option?
GMC Hummer.
Okay, let's try out the Hummer.
Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna start from downtown police station.
All right, fantastic.
Fantastic. You can go through the couch.
The Hummer is going really well.
The Hummer is going really well.
Made by
Made-
General Motors.
General Motors.
Oh, too
We
heavy.
need to go fast.
Okay, let's go fast.
Oh, too heavy. Too heavy again, but me. Too heavy.
Too heavy? All right.
Let's
so
try
so-
something different else.
Sure. What's
Yeah,
your
now it's the
last
fourth
option?
The fourth option. Corvette.
Corvette?
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Corvette. Fabulous. Fabulous.
Which
for-
automaker makes Corvette?
In the service center.
Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Chevy Corvette. Okay.
Chevy.
So let's run it through. Let's take a look.
On
and
the
see how
service
it
center.
runs.
On the service center. Here's your phone.
Very smooth, Alex.
Whoa,
Wow.
very smoothly.
That's fabulous. Fantastic. Great job.
Fantastic.